Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make a fish tank from scratch. This shows you a fish tank that I made from scratch. If you look closely, you can see that there are a lot of differences in the background as well as the sprite. If you like this, you can download the link below. Also, if you want to learn how to build a fish tank like this, I will take the next video. Today we will see how to create sprites and the background. This sprite has ungrouped and changed the tail angle. This one has done the same. I changed the color of the default sprite. This sprite has been duplicated and the angle has been changed. This one has changed the outline color of the default sprite. This sprite has ungrouped and changed the angle of the tail. This sprite has changed the outline color of the default sprite. No changes have been made to this sprite. This sprite has ungrouped and changed the angle of the tail. I set this herd of fish as one sprite and the angle has been changed. I ungrouped the background and took this sprite, then duplicated it and changed the direction. I drew this with a pen. I set up sprites like this. So, enough for today. In the next video, we will learn how to code this fish tank. Catch you soon. Thanks for watching.